How to fix AutoCAD error 1603. So the first thing that you need to do is restart your computer. Head over to the Windows search bar, click the power icon, and then click restart. Once you've done that, you need to check for Windows updates. So just type in Windows updates. Here you go, check for updates. Click on it, and here as you can see, I'm missing a driver update. If you're missing any updates, simply just click install now and wait for the Windows to update. The third thing that you can do is run the installer as administrator. So simply find your installer, right click on it, and then run as administrator. And then try the installation again. The next thing that you can do is reinstall the Autodesk installer. You're gonna find the file named remove ODIS. Simply run that, then go to the Autodesk website and install everything again. Now if none of these work, you need to repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. So open up Control Panel. Let's go Programs and Features. Like that. And now find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Here you go, Change. And then click Repair. Now you need to click Repair on every single one of these that you can, because you can see on these ones I can't repair them. Now another thing that you can do is disable your antivirus during installation. So once you're in Virus and Threat Protection, go to Manage Settings here, and then turn off Real-Time Protection, and then turn it back on once you're done with the installation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.